In this video, we will show you how to use the Field Analyzer. Open your Tools bar and open the Field Analyzer hub. Open the Field Analyzer from the Field List or Field flag. Then you can see your Field Analyzer map. Up here, you can select the map for the specific operation you are interested in. Below, you can see the operations which have already been done on this specific field. In our example, we see a harvest map. This is how we can see information about dry yield, wet weight, moisture, and the harvest speed. In the sidebar, you can find an overview of all your agronomic data. In the legend, you can select specific areas which you want to be displayed in the map. In our example, we want to see how much dry yield, around 25%, we had. The timeline at the bottom shows you for every month the different operations which have been done in this field. Here you can select any of these operations to be displayed in this map. You also have the option to compare data, either by year, or you can compare, for example, dry yield with moisture of one specific field. You can print a current overview with all the agronomic data and details of your field. To learn how you get the information from your machine to the Operations Center, watch our separate video.